almost hit a van. Easy go. It is very sunny out. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing the Greddy Performance by KW Coilovers on my FRS. If you guys are new to this channel, hi, my name is Macbeth. I drive this 2016 Rocket Bunny FRS, and today, fingers crossed, hopefully we get her on the road, because she has not been on any type of street for about 2 months, and that's completely my fault. I know I suck. All right, just a quick update. The wheels never got repowder coated when I went to Arizona. Instead, they got a new fresh set of tires. These are the Nankang all-season tires on the fronts, and I also got the rears right over here. They're super dirty, and I'm going to try and clean that before I put them on the car. But I got new tires, which is good. I also got the new shifter solenoid over here from Toyota, and I'm gonna make a separate video installing this because there are no videos on YouTube on how to do this on an FRS, so I feel like this would be a very helpful video since I couldn't find any help myself. But yes, I got this part. We also have this scan gauge that Sarah gave me back when I was in Arizona last week, and this is supposed to check for any codes, and it's gonna read my car and see what's up with anything that's going on with it. So thank you, Sarah, if you're watching this video. I appreciate this. This coilover is known to have great balance of traction, comfort, and overall adjustability when it comes to any road or track. And I'm super excited because I live in New Jersey. You guys know this is my daily driver, and I'm not planning on racing this car or doing anything crazy with it, but I do want more comfort when it comes to ride quality because I do drive it every single day. I almost fell. I do drive the car every single day, so comfort is a really big part of my suspension. It has to ride good or I don't want it. And with the bags that I had on the FRS, I really wasn't having that type of comfort or adjustability at all, and I'm excited to see if this is going to be a better upgrade. It's getting really hard to hold this coilover without like falling. These coilovers have a low friction. Like they know. These coilovers have a low friction twin tube dampening in them, as well as they have adjustable camber top hats in the front only, not in the rear, only in the front. They also have a high strength spring on the coilovers. I wanted to note that whenever you do any type of suspension work on your car, you should always go get your car aligned afterwards. If you don't get your car aligned, you risk getting yourself into some sort of trouble. I know that my car after this will go get an alignment, but I am having a little bit of an issue, and I can't do that until my parts come in tomorrow. So I'm going to show you what's going on before we start this whole entire video. As you guys know, my car was involved in a hit and run, and I sent my car out to get fixed, and you know, I got the new paint job and everything, and everything seemed fine until I removed the wheel recently, and I found out there is no shirt in here, that's why everything's hanging. I found out that my inner and outer tie rods, if you guys can see right here, this is not straight. This is not straight. It is bent into like a little U. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but both my inner and outer tie rods need to be replaced, and as well as my lower control arm over here is bent on the side. So before I get an alignment, I have to change the inner and outer tie rods and my lower control arm, because you will not get a proper alignment with this looking like this. Originally, I was going to send the car back to the shop where I got the work done after my accident, and I did reach out to them, and they did not hesitate. They were like, bring it back, we're sorry. They are an auto body shop. They don't do any type of mechanical work whatsoever, so they outsource whenever there are issues like this. And I got pissed because this is a simple job. I can knock that out in less than an hour, and the parts are less than 150 bucks. So I I reached out to them and they told me to bring back the car, but I chose not to do it. Instead, I want to do it myself because I've gotten to that point in my life where every single time I bring my car somewhere, it's not treated with the same respect that I give it. So I'm going to try and do this myself and film it for you guys, because overall this is a car channel and it's going to be more content for y'all, and you'll get to see like the process and me learning different things. I've never had to change inner and outer tie rods. All I know is that I watched the Chris Fix video and now I think I can do it, but fingers crossed again, and hopefully I can do that too. So yeah. Okay, wrong way. Come on, Liz, you got strength. Oh my god, I took it out. Gucci gang. My camera's dying right now, so I believe we're gonna end up shooting more tomorrow. So on to the next day. Oh, we did not scrape. We didn't scrape. We didn't scrape. I'm gonna take this car around the street, or probably go and do some shopping to see how it drives. I know I took it out the other night and it was driving perfectly fine. One of the things that I noticed last night is that I definitely need an alignment, and now being in it again today and just driving to the end of my street, I can definitely tell I need an alignment. I've hit some pretty bad potholes so far and the car is handling pretty well. I feel like I'm not clenching my butt cheeks as much as I thought I was going to be, because I remember when I had my team Coilovers, this car was doing horrible. That was a really bad bump right there and I barely felt that. So I can tell that this is a good coilover setup. I almost hit a van. I didn't hit the van, thank God. What happened was I put on some Egyptian oils that I have. They're like perfume sort of, and I didn't wash my hands. I went into the car, I made a left turn, and in that left turn I lost control of the steering wheel and the car just fucking went everywhere for a second until I like gripped onto the steering wheel again. No one got hurt, the car is fine, the other car is fine, nothing happened, but I do suffer from anxiety, so I like couldn't drive after that. I had to just pull over for a second. Yeah, I'm good now. So far the car has been driving very well. I can instantly tell that I need an alignment. My steering wheel is a little bit to the left as well. So I need to do that after I change my inner and outer tie rods. The comfortability, like the ride quality of the car has improved tremendously compared to the bag setup that I had. I have been hitting potholes on purpose just to see how it would feel, and some of the potholes that I used to literally clench my butt cheeks for back when I had my bag setup are not as bad with this coilover setup, or even equivalent to how bad it used to be. I know that I have to get an alignment and get everything dialed in, and I know that the coilovers are going to settle on the car, but so far the ride height that I have it on is good. I don't feel like I'm scraping anywhere. The only times that I do notice anything is my tires scraping on the body, but that's because I have brand new tires as well, so that's gonna wear off over time, and it's not bad, honestly. I also want to say that this video is not sponsored by anybody. I went ahead and I bought this with my own money, and this is my honest opinion on these coilovers. I was completely tired of having shitty ride quality, and I'm happy that I went with these. So if you guys want to go check it out, I'm gonna leave a link down below where you guys can go view it. Yet again, I am not sponsored. The link is not some magical link where I'm gonna get paid if you buy anything off of it. I just want to leave it in the description down below, or you can go Google it. One more thing that I want to share with you guys is that I do have a PO box now, so if you guys want to go ahead and send me some letters, I'm more than happy to get them. I'm gonna leave the address down below where you guys can go mail those out. So yeah. Also guys, I do have Instagram, so if you guys want to see more of me and see more of my daily personal life, go check me out on Instagram at Macbeth. I'm gonna leave that link down below in the description so you can check that out. Also, if you guys want to contribute to the channel, I do have a Patreon. I'm also gonna leave all those links down below in the description. But this has been my KW Greddy coilover install video, and I wish it could have been a little bit better, but right now the camera that I have is broken. I shoot with a Canon G7X and the screen completely shattered on me, so I cannot see what I'm filming until all of this is being edited on the computer. So hopefully it came out good. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.